So I saved the best for last. This is how I use ChatGPT just to have a bit of fun. We've seen how it can help you at home with life admin, at work, when you're studying or trying to learn some stuff, but maybe you just want to like have a play. Here's some cool things that it can do. So the first one is writing a joke. You might have a partner named Aaron who you want to write a joke about. Write a joke about a man named Aaron and see what comes out. Here it is. Why did Aaron bring a ladder to the party? Because he heard the drinks were on the house. Terrible. Maybe this would be good if you wanted to create those like cracker jokes, because it feels like it's at that level. Let me try again. Oh, it's the same joke. Right. Write a different joke about a man named Aaron. Why did Aaron refuse to believe that he was addicted to soap operas? Because he couldn't accept that he was living in Aaron's anatomy. Let's try something else. Say you're hosting a trivia night with some friends and you want to come up with some trivia questions. Maybe you can't afford the premium upgrade of the Saturday quiz and you want some things to quiz yourself on. Here is an idea. Write 10 trivia questions about Dawson's Creek. And it will come back with 10 questions. I guess you have to go and like find the answers yourself. And then maybe you could just use ChatGPT for that. Yeah, cool. Okay. Next one, you could write a poem or song lyrics. Again, this is cute if you want to like write a message in a birthday card or going away card, or just want to tell someone they're great. So I want to write a song about Queen Nettie who loves to dance, and we'll see what comes out. Queen Nettie, she's the one with a love for dancing that's second to none. Anyways, come up with a song. Nettie, if you're watching, I hope you liked that. Next, and finally, you can write little stories. So again, I'm going to start a fresh window and write a story about 4 slugs who go on a road trip across America. Oh, too many requests in an hour. It turns out that you can hit the limit. So let me just cheat and open this up from when I did it earlier. Once upon a time in a dense forest lived 4 slugs who had been friends since they were hatchlings. The names were Slimy, Slinky, Squishy, and Snail. The story goes on, they go on a road trip. It's actually quite good. I feel like the story writing is like the winner of the day for how to use ChatGPT for fun. If you have any other fun ideas for how to use it to be cute or funny, or I don't know, sending notes to friends, let me know. I hope these ones were helpful. I've really enjoyed playing around with it all day and making these 4 how-to videos. If you didn't see the others, there's a help with home life, help with work life, and help with learn or study tips. So that's the series for now. I imagine it'll get extended if I figure out some more stuff it can do, but it is time to sign off. Thanks for being here. Bye.